What if the most powerful cancer-fighting medicine wasn't found in a pharmacy, but in your kitchen? Every single day, your body fights off microscopic cancer cells, and the foods you can eat either feeds those cells or destroy them before they grow. Cancer doesn't appear overnight. It starts as a single damaged cells, often caused by toxins, inflammation, or oxidative stress that escape your immune defense. Over time, these rogue cells multiply, forming tumors. But nature has armed you with potent weapons. Vegetables rich in phytonutrients, antioxidants, and natural compounds that can readily switch off cancer cell growth. In this video, we'll explore 5 vegetables significantly proven to help prevent and even kill cancer cells, according to the real studies. Broccoli isn't just a green side dish, it's one of the nature's strongest anti-cancer agents. Its secret weapon is sulforaphane, a compound shown to block cancer cell growth and trigger apoptosis, the program death of cancer cells. Here's how it works. Sulforaphane activates detoxification enzymes in your liver and switches on genes that neutralize carcinogens before they damage your DNA. The studies show it can slow the growth of a breast, prostate, and colon cancer cells in both humans and lab models. When you eat broccoli raw or lightly steamed, you preserve more of these active compounds. But if you are microwaving or boiling it too much, you're losing most of its power. Garlic's strong aroma comes from allicin, a sulfur compound released when you crush or chop it. Allicin has shown to damage cancer cell membranes, block tumor growth, and support your body's natural killer cells, the immune warriors that hunt down rogue cancer cells. One study found that people who eat garlic regularly have a significantly lower risk of stomach and colorectal cancer. That's because garlic reduces inflammation and prevents DNA mutations caused by toxins or infection. Here's a tip: crush your garlic and let it set for 10 minutes before cooking. The waiting time activates allicin and dramatically boosts its cancer-fighting potential. Spinach is packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, and chlorophyll, which act as antioxidants protecting your cells from free radical damage. Chronic oxidative stress is one of the key triggers for cancer development. Spinach also contains folate, a B vitamin essential for healthy DNA repair. Without enough folate, damaged DNA strands are more likely to mutate, increasing your cancer risk. Eating spinach regularly has been linked to a lower rate of lung, breast, and colon cancers, especially in people exposed to environmental toxins or smoke. Just 1 cup a day in a smoothie or salad can make a measurable difference in your antioxidant levels. The red pigment in tomatoes, lycopene, is a carotenoid with powerful anti-cancer properties. It helps neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and even block the blood supply tumors need to grow. Men who eat tomatoes regularly have been shown to have up to 30% lower risk of prostate cancer, according to the multiple studies. Lycopene becomes even more bioavailable when the tomatoes are cooked, especially with olive oil, because it's fat-soluble. So, go ahead and enjoy tomato sauce, soups, and roasted tomatoes. They're not just delicious, they're therapeutic. Although technically a root, turmeric deserves its place here. Its bright yellow pigment, curcumin, has been proven to suppress cancer initiation, progression, and metastasis. Curcumin blocks NF-κB, a molecule that triggers chronic inflammation, one of the main drivers of a tumor growth. It also cuts off blood supply to tumors and makes cancer cells more sensitive to the chemotherapy. However, curcumin is not easily absorbed by your body. That's why combining turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, and increase its absorption by up to 2000%. Added to soup, peas, or golden milk or daily anti-inflammatory anti-cancer rituals. If you're learning something new, hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed health videos like this. We post daily insights on nutrition, longevity, and natural healing, all based on real medical research. And remember, a single video could change how you eat for life. Now that you know which vegetables fight cancer, here's how to make them part of your daily defense plans. Eat cruciferous veggies daily. Include broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts at least 5 times per week. They boost detoxification enzymes and neutralize carcinogen before they harm your DNA. Steam them lightly or eat them raw in salads for the best effects. Combine antioxidants or synergy. Eating multiple vegetables together, multiple day powers. For instance, combining tomato lycopene with a Spanish lutein provides complementary antioxidants that protect different parts of your cells. Support your gut microbiome. A healthy gut helps process and activate plant compounds. Eat fiber-rich veggies like garlic, leeks, and onions. They feed beneficial gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, known to protect against colon cancer. Avoid the enemies of healing. Even the best vegetable can offset the damage of a constant sugar, trans fats, and processed meats. These foods create inflammation and oxidative stress that feed tumor cells. Use herbs and spices as medicine. Turmeric, rosemary, and ginger all contain compounds shown to suppress tumor-promoting pathways. Adding them daily turns every meal into a small anti-cancer treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider before making major dietary or supplement change, especially if you are undergoing treatment. Your body was designed to heal, to recognize and eliminate abnormal cells before they turn deadly. By choosing the right foods, you're not just eating for energy, you're training your body to fight disease. So, start today. Add the one cancer-fighting vegetable to your next meal.